So you're gonna say which one's right for you, right?
Right now?
Well, after I say it, all right?
Okay.
Hey Dylan, do you know what today is?
I mean, it's my birthday.
No. It's the Trailer Nerd's birthday.
Before we get into this HE's cute,
I don't like being the Jacob. I don't want to be.
I wonder if you can hear me.
It's fine. They see it's gravel, it's fine. So what's this one?
Don't wobble too much. And
What am I saying? Hey guys, it's Dylan from Baseline. The winner's here. Let's meet him.
Yeah.
All right.
It is, again, the 7K tandem axle utility. We brought over some of the same great features on the Reed.
With 5 yards of gravel, remember we are overloaded. We put it all towards the front to test our telescopic cylinder. So let's get to it.
I shouldn't have.
We have 7K Super Lube. No. Is it Super Lube or Easy Lube?
I think Diddy Lube.
I don't know. Easy Lube. All right, let's do it again. I'm just gonna say 7K axles. All right. All right. You know what?
right there.
Guys, this is why we call it cheap insurance.